Hello everybody, we're back again. Wanted to take a quick moment just to touch on the new PPE guidelines that are happening in this coronavirus pandemic. With a lot of dental offices starting to reopen, you're gonna see a lot of different things maybe you're not familiar with, or maybe things that are slightly different than they were before the last time you came in to see your dentist. Now, every office is going to operate a little bit differently. In terms of safety, there's a lot of different guidelines that have been made available to us, and everybody's just trying to negotiate those in the best way that they possibly can, keeping both their employees safe as possible and the patients as safe as possible. Bear with everybody as we go through this, because it is really challenging to try to navigate all of these different boards and regulators and different things like that, because a lot of them have very different personal protective equipment requirements. Let me just give you an example. In our practice, for the most part, you generally saw me dressed something like this. So, what you're seeing here is what most of us are used to seeing the dentist look like when you come into the office. Gloves, mask, some sort of eye protection, something of that nature. Now, for the coronavirus, the OSHA standards have become something where we look more like this. As you can see, this is a little bit different. Now, not every person is going to wear this exact same garb. In fact, this will vary wildly amongst dentists to a large degree, because everything that I'm wearing right now is hard to get. And in fact, everything I was wearing in the last shot is hard to get. So the biggest takeaway here is, please be patient with all of your dental offices. Remember that we're all trying to deal with getting this personal protective equipment, and we're trying to get it as fast as possible so that we can get you all in and seen. Thank you so much for your patience through all of this. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your understanding. It means a lot to everybody, not just in our office, but throughout the entire dental community of Cincinnati and the nation overall. We are people that want to help you. Our natural desire, our natural order of things for us is to want to help, and we had to kind of sit on the sidelines for a few weeks, which is really hard for us. We want to make sure that we're still protecting our staffs, and mostly importantly, we're protecting you as well. Because of that, in most cases, we're going to take extra precautions, but everybody has to practice in their own way. Dentist's office may look a little bit different than it did before. Everybody take care, have a wonderful week, and we're looking forward to seeing you again very soon in our dental office, and excited to resume operations.